2 slides to close down. I hope you enjoyed it. Please rate the talks. We have activated the forms in Venuless, so just log into Venuless. It was on your ticket link, and rate the talks. It gives us a good feedback, what you liked, what you didn't like. Maybe you can comment, then we can improve and bring the conference forward. That we can make it next year more like you want it. If you're on social media, please use our hashtag. The hashtag here in big letters, easy to read. And now to the social. We have the buses. On the next picture, on the next slide is a picture of the entrance at the hotel lobby. They will start running at 18:15, but I've heard that the first bus is already there. So when you're ready, please go to the hotel lobby, go to the entrance. We have 6 buses, and we need to try to fill them up and then drive to the location. Please bring your badge. We will need it on the location to know who can in. And as there were some questions on the location, there is a room with windows, with heating, but obviously you need to go out of the bus in this location. And then there are some tours out of this location, so maybe you dress a little bit for the weather, but the venue as is has a heating. That is important. If you go there by car or by taxi, you cannot drive up the hill. Remember that you need to stop at the bottom of the hill and then either walk the last meters or take the small shuttle bus. It's all explained on your badge, and you can read it there. See you back tomorrow at 8:30. For all the speakers, we have a little present for you. You can pick it up at the info point, because all the conference is at the end built by the speakers of the workshops, of the talks. So thanks for all the speakers, and see you tomorrow. Thank you.